Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk edit drafts on eBay. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're editing a lot of items which are pretty similar but still need to be different on eBay. How do you actually go ahead and bulk edit listings on eBay? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the example that I'm going to do is that let's say I'm selling Pokemon trading cards and they're all within the same condition. Here's how you actually go ahead and bulk edit. So what we're first going to do is that we're going to go into sell. Next, we're going to go into listings, hover over listings, and then click on drafts. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to click this checkbox here because this checkbox is going to select all your drafts. Afterwards, click on resume drafts. And then from this table or interface that you see here, this is where you can start to do bulk edit options. So you can actually start to go ahead and select everything. Then you can select bulk edit. And then let's say that we want to edit the item description. You can change the edit to item description. You can add to the beginning, add to the end, find text, change it to replace. But there's multiple different bulk edit options that you can do from this interface. And if you want to go ahead, once it's ready, you can click on submit or you can click on save for later. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit bulk listings on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.